a nation from here can govern the world with one small gadget. You can off the light of America from here. You can build a gadget that you use it to off British light everywhere. Everything will off. Do you know? Do you know you can build a missile that will go under, enter here and surface in America? You know, Russia tried it, they failed. Do you know a black race can build a missile here? It will enter here, it will surface in America, in White House, and explode and keep people beyond repair. Okay, let us what they know. They have not even reached anywhere. Oh yeah, do you know, I used to tell people, do you know the world has outgrown this stage before? Had outgrown this level we are. The world before. Do you know that time they wanted to build a house to the sky? Yeah. You know, they used to teach people that they were crude. They were not crude. They were advanced. But the memory, God wiped it out. And restored only Noah with his wife and children, 8 of them. So, because they don't believe in that thing that time. They believe in that before now they legalize.
So that is genetic level. It was after Noah period. So they now gather all races of the world. They want to build beyond
up. But people don't know that the world has advanced. Yeah. But God removed the thing, started again. How that Babylon? You know what? Babylon has gate, golden gate. Yeah. Do you know? The thing that the world has reached that stage, it will reach, it never reach. Now, they know that before that hour will come, a black race will emerge and rule over them. That's why the British are scared. They want to say, but now they have seen the outcome. America, they are scared. They want to legalize gay so that we will reduce. All of us will be affected. And now they don't know how to force us to accept gay. So that God will punish all of us. So that they will rule last. But it's not possible.
What are we expecting from Tinubu's administration?
What would you expect?
Is he not going to release him, or does he want to use Nnamdi Kanu again to renegotiate his second term?
Augusta, they are not going to release Nnamdi Kanu. I've told you these things before. I've told you severally. Nobody. You know how many people that have called? Release him, release him. If you release Nnamdi Kanu will tell you who Buhari is. You know, Buhari came the other day. Who is Buhari? You know, you have abandoned that. Who is Buhari? Is he Buhari? Nnamdi Kanu will start something that Nigeria will shake. Ordinary that Buhari, bring that Buhari, or you test him. Who is he? Who is he? Or you speak your language. Ordinary language, you will use it to catch. Buhari will come. They can never release Nnamdi Kanu. It will be through that violence that will cripple economy here. Then they will say, oh yeah, everybody go. It will be when they have divided Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu will tell them and say, see what happened there. Other tribes will know.
But they want to arrest Simon Ekpa. They
arrest Simon Ekpa. Who will arrest Simon Ekpa? Oga, you know when they said student loan in Nigeria, I laughed. All those things, I don't study them all. I know them. What is student loan? How can they give student loan in Nigeria? It's not possible. You give student loan in a bright economy, organized system, that people are numbered, people could be identified, they know you. So that when they give you the loan, when you after graduation, the same government that gave you the loan will give you job and be minusing the money. Now so student loan works. They don't give student loan in a system like this. Yes. I told them, people don't know. Oga, when you talk about Simon Ekpa, how can you go to Finland to bring an indigene of the land, serving them there, paying tax, serving in the military reserve, knowing that Russia war is escalating, and Finland came out to broke away from Russia? That is one of their reserve. Special guys. That guy where is he? So there are many. You know they are mentioning Eba. Is it only Eba? Oga, what of Nigeria Igbo people that are serving in U.S. Army that came together and other Tinubu say release this guy? Those Igbo guys serving in American military. Have you thought about those guys? Do you know them? You know those people that are serving in the UN, Igbo guys that are going to, you know the nation they were in, that they were telling, hey, releasing them the can. They videoed themselves and posted it. You think it's a joke? You think Simon Eba is only the person? It's not Simon. Igbos are the greatest among all blacks. You know, among all black race. Is it South African people or Kenya that can compete with Igbos? No. Igbos are very powerful, very strong, powerful intellectually. They are there.
U.S. American vegetarians, military vegetarians.
Tinubu,
if he doesn't release Nigeria will collapse.
Lies.
Is part of what you're saying?
That is what I'm saying. Those veterans, those guys, who are they? You think it's only Canada and Co? You know how many Igbo forces that are in Canada? What of what of go to Canada, go to Australia, go to many nations? They are there. You understand what I'm saying? They are there. So if you say Simon Eba, it's not Simon Eba per se, but my brother. Simon Eba is like a figure representing them, telling them whatever they have in their whatever, he show it to the world. Oh, yeah, go and arrest him. You know the process after all. Let me elaborate. You know the process for you to repatriate somebody like Eba. It's through court. You know how long? They will go to court. What is the law? That is the law of Finland. This is our citizen. He said yes. What did he commit? He said when he says something in Finland, they will execute it in their land, their own homeland, natural homeland. So does it mean he is a man committing it? What are you doing to those people that made Eba to say respond to these people? What are you doing to them? If you are governing well, there is peace. Eba can't say repair these people. Eba can't repair them. Why those criminals that are killing their people? Why are they killing their people in the farm? That made Eba say no, don't allow those people to kill you. Respond though. Be watchful. I don't know whether you understand me. So now for you to carry Eba, you must indict Eba with reasonable evidence. Dear, that he committed there.
And it's very difficult to do that.
Committed there.
But they can do the way of kidnapping like they did in Namdekano.
Well, that he committed there. Any crime he committed against them first. Then, what he committed against international law. What has he done? Do you know that UN is aware? Whatever he's doing, he has not gone beyond. Immediately, Simon Eba goes beyond it. They will ask him, hey, get him arrested. It's the UN that would say that. It's not Nigerian government. He is following the law. He is moving in accordance with the UN law. You understand? After all, when they said the election, it's okay, conduct, let us see. Wasn't the election messed up? He said, see what they did to Igbos. He tabled everything before the UN. See what the Yorubas, especially the Yorubas. You know, Yorubas are the, forget that, I don't want to go there. Yorubas are the, do you know Igbos now? Igbos, I know you people know. They are angry. The Yorubas are the real wicked people against Igbos, not Hausa. You know, don't you see that as Nigeria is being messed up, they are still.
Well, what I just said, no.
No.
The people of Lagos State said it can never happen.
Oga.
Instead, let those ones who are to leave Lagos State there.
Are the indigenous people of Lagos, are they the Yorubas? Generally. Are they the Fere? Are they the president? Are they those mama, papa, where they here? No. It's because of the response. Okay, when did they say that? After 1 month. That the thing has come upon everybody, has done on everybody that see what Yorubas are doing. The Benin responded. Akwa Ibom, Calabar, all tribes in Nigeria, we are angry. Say, Yoruba, can you start what you can't finish? Do you know who Igbos are? When they talk like this, Yoruba, that do you know Igbos responded from different quarters? The ones from outside, Simon Eba, militant groups. Do you know Ejo groups responded? They went back to the water. Do you know? The one they call Bakassi in the Bakassi Peninsula. They laughed. They say, hey, see where lion day. You know square come meet lion, they threaten lion. You know one thing? Do you know Eba only spoke about the West only once? Any other one is video, whatever. He said only thing once. He said he will spread. You know how they proliferate guns, arms. They will bomb here under one day. You know, when he told them so, you know, he's a military guy. You know, they don't know. You know, there are gas pipeline here everywhere. Do you know that there is, you know, some people don't know waiting day with the anger they are giving the Easterners, destroying their property, doing everything they are doing. And know that Igbos are the most powerful guy in among blacks, so not Nigeria. Oh. In South Africa, threatening Igbos more. They will respond more. In China.
Lastly,
in India.
Lastly, the governor of Rivers State, Timi Fubara, appointed an Igbo man, and the North is criticizing the governor of Rivers State, Timi Fubara, for appointing Igbo man as commissioner because they said that Rivers State is not Igbo.
Oga, all these things you are asking me, I don't like this kind of question. 80% of Rivers people are Igbos. If Fubara appoint Igbo, so the Fulani will be appointed there.
He said it's from Biafra State. He appointed somebody from Biafra State.
So they should go and bring a emir of Sanusi to come and be listening in Igbo land. Do you know Obi Igbo?
They are very funny.
Oh, yeah, let me tell you. Do you know the heart of Igbo? Do you know Obi Igbo? Do you know where Obi Igbo is?
I don't know this guy hatred. I don't understand.
Do you know Obi Igbo is in Port Harcourt, Rivers State? Do you know what they call Obi Igbo? Do you know it's not ordinary name? The heart of Igbos. It's not in Imo. It's not the Anambra. Even if the head of Igbos, now from that Umuleri and the Arochukuden, where they made their settlement first, Obi Igbo is in Rivers. That's the way that they say we are not Igbo. Do you know that some Igbo quarters say if we not do anyhow, we'll go pursue now by force, so collect our land because that's an Obi Igbo. So they give you bribe to say you are no more Igbo, even Delta. You don't say war matter, don't they enter that thing. If they do anyhow, they go, and only one night they will circle west, south, circle them. Then they burn you. Obi Igbo is there. So it's after Civil War, Britain gave them those ideas. Cut off this, do this. Like in Britain, you know what they call Great Britain, United Kingdom. You know, there are two different things. What made this one? The United Kingdoms. Different tribes that came together. Great Britain, London. You understand? People don't know. That's when those agitations came there. They united themselves. Or be independent kingdoms. You are all kingdoms. We are all kingdoms.
What you're saying is that those are colonies of Biafra.
Yes. You know, all those people, you can't go away. When time reach, you see power will come. They will gather them back. And so, my brother, let us keep it that way. Until next time. The